In this video, I'll show you how to enable the FPS counter using the NVIDIA app. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for NVIDIA app, then open it. From the left-hand side, click on Settings. At the top, make sure NVIDIA Overlay is turned on. Now press Alt+Z on your keyboard to open the overlay. Scroll down and click on Statistics. Here, you'll find the option to enable the FPS counter. To quickly turn it on or off, press Alt+R. This will display the FPS counter on your screen. If you want to change the layout, press Alt+Shift+R. This will cycle through different FPS display styles. You can now open any game and use these shortcuts to show your FPS. If your FPS shows as not applicable, here's how to fix it. Right-click on your desktop and open NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, then click on Program Settings. Make sure your game is added to the list. If it's not there, click Add, then Browse, and select your game's executable file. Once added, restart your game. And that's it. Your FPS counter should now work properly. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.